Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a fun way, well, I think it's fun, a fun way to crawl that just gives your crawling a little bit of variety, but really ups the tension a little bit. So a couple of weeks ago, I showed you how to pick yourself up and load your body, contralaterally by pushing your butt off the floor and then rotating around. And what we were playing with in that video, particular video, was just making a touch with the forearm down on the floor. So I started playing around and I thought, what would happen if we crawled like that? You know, with just a touch of the forearm, or maybe even the shin, or both, down on the floor, just a touch. So what that looks like, and we can even start from the sitting position if we wanted to, well, since we're here, right? So it looks like you touch, you touch, you touch, you touch. And I mean, it's not like some super duper, oh wow, that looks so cool move. But it adds an extra little special dimension into your crawling, because you gotta kind of lower yourself a little bit. And when you lower yourself a little bit, well, that takes effort. so you're forcing a more of a reflexive response. You're demanding more out of your body. So your brain has to up the tension to allow you to try to pull off the movement. So again, it's not rocket science, but it's an interesting, or just a different fun way to play, a novel way to play, if you will. When you crawl, you lower yourself down, you just touch. So you're not resting on the ground. You are just touching. So you touch your forearm and your shin, if you got it in you, to the ground. And you're just lowering yourself just enough to touch. And I suppose if you wanted to make this harder, you could do bird dogs or something when you touch. But that does make it harder because it challenges your stability. But you could also maybe do elevated speed skaters. These are awesome. Touch, elevated speed skater, touch, elevated speed skater, touch, elevated speed skater, touch. That's the one you should do. If I have to choose between bird dogs and speed skaters, because they mimic your gait pattern. The opposite limbs are doing the same thing together as they should or would when you were walking, and that's our design. So I'm really a fan of the speed skaters, but this video is not about speed skaters, it's about the touch inside of the crawl. If you want to add speed skaters inside of the crawl, you can too. That's extra because I like you, so that's the bonus of the week. But anyway, practice if you want to. If you got it in you, just the touch in between each step when you crawl of touching your forearm and or your shin to the floor. I think you'll find it ups the challenge, the reflexive challenge quite a bit. And it's another fun way to play with your movements. And obviously too, you can practice speed, slow motion. Slow motion's where it's at on this particular drill. Just do it always slow motion. Don't even worry about doing it fast. Just do it slow. All right, that's our really simple crawling tip or drill this week. I am Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.